Hi, I'm Alan Anderson. I will be teaching the Customer Contract and Legal Boot Camp for engineering professionals. This course is about the terms and conditions that apply in the manufacturing relationship between parties that are in many cases tangential to the efforts of EMS professionals who are more engineering or technically oriented, but nonetheless critical to legal compliance, customer satisfaction, and profitability. This course is designed to help professionals without legal or contract administration backgrounds to understand the most important attributes of customer contracts, why they are important, and how to achieve the appropriate allocations of risk and balance in such contracts. Margins in this industry are slim, particularly when compared to most of our OEM and other types of customers. And failure to understand the appropriate allocations of risk between the EMS provider and its customer can lead to significant issues with negotiated agreements with customers. Everyone involved in any aspect of performance of the contract and meeting the customer's requirements should be able to contribute to negotiating a favorable agreement, maintaining desired profitability, and addressing the ever-changing and developing global compliance issues that are at the forefront of our industry.